This is fun. Dude!
We are at the 2019 GESTEM event on the Auraria campuses in Denver.
GESTEM is a full-day event, and the acronym GESTEM actually stands for Girls Exploring Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. And we spend the day introducing girls to different careers that are STEM focused.
So today we're trying to teach them one of the forming methods of ceramics, and that forming method is extrusion. And the challenge that we've presented to them is to make a Play-Doh that they can extrude, and once fired, that Play-Doh will hold shape. So the thought is to simulate how ceramics can be formulated from powders and then extruded or processed in other ways to make shapes that are then fired.
This is what we have. Do you want to bake it? Yeah!
There's women in all over CoorsTek in all kinds of roles, and we have a good cross-section of them today that we can show the girls.
So we hope that the girls will see a career that they had never heard about before, that they will be exposed to some sort of STEM field that they didn't even know existed. Our hope is that they'll walk away from this event encouraged to take more math and science classes as they approach high school. And those math and science classes will set them up for the ability to study STEM in college.
Girls make awesome engineers. Yeah, girls definitely make awesome engineers. Girls can do and be anything.